Welcome to the online demo of MartJack. As you know, consumers in India today research and purchase online. Indian consumers today are searching for and purchasing products ranging from electronics, home appliances, mobile phones, books, shoes, gifts, flowers, even jewelry is being purchased online today. Consumers typically search for products or see advertisements on different websites and land up on the retailer's online store where they can select a product that they want to buy and eventually buy it. A number of retailers are benefiting and taking advantage of this fast growing and large online market. How are they doing it? They are doing it using a solution called MartJack. To understand how MartJack helps retailers set up their own online stores and manage it, let's take a look at some of the online stores built on MartJack and how different retailers are using different capabilities of the platform. Let's take a look at the next website. As you can see, there are a number of products displayed on this website. These products have been categorized, as you can see, under different categories or departments such as mobile phones or cameras. You can similarly arrange your own products in your own categories on MartJack. As you can also see, they are using a lot of promotional capabilities such as discounts and offers to influence consumers, to make sure that consumers are excited and they want to buy from them. They are showcasing different special products on their homepage itself. Let's say if a consumer visits their website and goes to the mobile phone section, he will be presented with a list of mobile phones which are available on the website. He can very easily search for products that he wants. For example, if the consumer is looking for a mobile phone with a 2-megapixel camera, he can very easily find it using MartJack's refined search capability, which allows consumers to search products based on their attributes. This helps in quick product discovery. Research suggests that consumers typically want to get to a product which they are interested in within the first few minutes of their presence on an online store. So it is very important to assist in the product discovery. MartJack has a number of features which help in product discovery. One of them, as we just saw, is refined search. Once a consumer finds a product which he is interested in, he can go and see all the details of that product. It is very important to present a detailed and rich presentation of a product to make sure that consumers are convinced, they know what they are looking at, they know what they are going to buy, so that they can make the purchase decision and buy from you online. As you can see, with MartJack you can present multiple images of your products, give a rich zoom view, provide the description of the product, provide ratings and reviews, provide all the different specifications and details of the product, so that the consumer is convinced that yes, I know all the answers to the questions about this product, so I can buy it. Apart from that, as you can see, MartJack also presents you with another product discovery tool, which is essentially cross-selling and upselling, which is here being presented as similar products. So if a consumer is looking at a particular product, you can present him with options such as if you're looking at product X, you may also be interested in products A, B, C, D. This again helps the consumer to quickly get to a product that he may be actually interested in buying. The consumers can obviously buy online by clicking on the buy now option and making an online payment. But if the consumer is not immediately interested in making a purchase, instead of letting him leave your online store, MartJack presents you with options to capture his information through lead generation flows such as get a call, ask for a demo, etc. So when a consumer goes to this website, he does not want to buy the product, he can click on get a call, provide his details. These details are sent as an SMS or an email to the store manager, who can then act on this lead, call up the customer, convince him to make the purchase. We'll see into the details of how that works later on during this demo. Apart from that, there are other engagement options as well, such as adding to wish list or sharing this product on social networks, or comparing it, referring it to a friend, liking the product on Facebook, or sending a tweet on Twitter. So a number of different social engagements as well as on-site engagement options are provided to make sure that consumers somehow have an engagement done when they are looking at a product that they are interested in, so that they can either purchase then and there or they can purchase later. Similarly, you would see a number of different retailers are using MartJack according to their own requirements and according to their own brand initiatives, their own branding, their own look and feel, everything, to present their unique online identity to consumers. Here you would see there's a lot of brand experience on eDigiWorld, which is Videocon's online site. Mangatrai they are presenting jewelry, so they have a different treatment to online business. They're giving multi-currency purchases option to consumers using MartJack's multi-currency tools. Nakshatra Diamonds again is a fairly brand-oriented online store. Olive Telecom is about their latest product offerings, allowing consumers to buy these products at some discounted rates. They're also using MartJack's social connecting features such as Facebook Connect, so consumers can just log in with their Facebook IDs. They don't have to create a separate registration on Olive Telecom's website. So MartJack also allows you to do that. They're running different kind of promotional campaigns, such as giving discounts or giving free transit insurance. Odyssey is presenting their books under different categories. So as you will see that every retailer, according to their own requirements, they're using MartJack to build and manage their online presence. How this really works is when you sign up for MartJack, you are given an access to what is called the MartJack control panel. Essentially, the fundamental of MartJack is that we try to remove the complexities of IT or IT management from the retailer's table, which is why MartJack is offered on a software as a service model, so that you don't have to worry about servers or IT infrastructure or IT investments or IT managers. All of that is taken care of MartJack. You can just log in using the control panel from anywhere and build and manage your online store very easily. The MartJack control panel has been built through a long period of research to make it oriented towards retailers rather than IT persons. So you don't need any IT expertise to build and manage your online store. So once you log in into your control panel, you are presented with a dashboard which gives you a very quick overview, quick idea of your online store once it is running. Since we have just started, we'll go through the getting started list and see how typically an online store is built and managed on MartJack. So the first step there is providing the store information. Obviously, as you can see, you can provide the name of your store, the address, the phone number, mobile number, email address, and some description about your online store. Now, this is a very simple step, and that is the entire fundamental of MartJack, that we provide very, very simple steps to retailers, and all the complex work is being taken care of by the platform. So for example, on this page, by just providing this simple information, the platform automatically goes and creates your About Us page, your Contact Us page. It configures the alert system so that an SMS or an email will be sent to these addresses when an order is placed on your online store or when a customer registers on your online store. So all of those things are being taken care of by the platform. You can easily select a layout. There are a number of options available to select the layout. You can have your own custom layouts. This will determine what will be the structure of your online store. You can also select from a number of themes. There are hundreds of themes available from which you can select. This determines the look and feel of your online store You can also get a custom theme designed if required. You can very easily select checkout options or payment options, which is the options that consumers get to make payments to you when they are making purchases from your online store. As you can see, MartJack is already integrated with a number of different payment gateways. So you don't have to worry about the integration with a payment gateway or any kind of development work to be done to get a payment gateway working on your website. That work is already done. You just have to sign up with one of the payment gateways, provide the details of that payment gateway in your MartJack control panel, and your integration is done. So what is typically a 2-week and costly affair outside in the traditional model, with MartJack, that is a 5-10 minute job, the integration with your payment gateway. You just provide the information and the integration is done. Apart from giving the purchase options to consumers, you can also give them additional options, as we discussed earlier, like get a call, reserve a product and visit store, price on request, ask for a demo, something like that, so that the consumer can provide his information to you in a proactive way. Even if he is not willing to make the purchase then and there, you can later on follow up with the consumer and close the deal. We'll take a look at how to do it later. You can also configure your entire shipping profile, which is your business plan for shipping to the consumers, delivery of products once they have purchased it. You can say that you want to give express shipping, standard shipping options. You want to ship to certain geographies. You don't want to ship to certain geographies. You want to have a price of delivery to be charged by the weight of the product, or a flat price, or by the price or amount of the product. All of those things can be very easily configured. MartJack is integrated with a number of logistics providers. So if you are using one of the integrated logistics providers, docket generation can also happen automatically. Once an order comes and it is approved by you, the RMX person can come and pick up the order. They'll get an automatic notification at their end. At the end of the day, they'll come, pick up the order and deliver it to the consumer. So even that is taken care of for you. So as you will see, with MartJack, essentially it is not just the technology solution, you are also getting the complete ecosystem of related solutions such as payment integrations, logistics solution, online marketing solution, which we will take a look at later on. So once you have defined your shipping profile, or how you're going to deliver products to consumers, you can also very easily define the categories of products that you want to showcase on your website. Here again with MartJack, what we have done is that we already have over 2,000 different categories pre-populated in the system, which means for each of these categories, what are the different attributes. For example, for earrings, consumers want to know what are the carats, gold weight, type of gold. For gold earrings, these are the attributes they want to know. So all this kind of information is already present. You don't have to do the homework of what is the information typically consumers are looking for when they're looking at products in a particular category. Apart from that, you can add your own customized categories also to your online store. Once you have frozen on the categories, you can add products to those categories. You can add custom products, or you can upload hundreds of products in an Excel sheet format and they will automatically get added to your online store. But what is interesting is MartJack also has this MartJack content repository, which has over 110,000 products already available, with all the photographs, details, everything, from where you can easily add standard branded products to your online store without having to worry about product photography or data entry. So for example, let's take a look at, say, mobile phones in the product repository. I'm presented with the different brands which are present in the product repository. I can just select, say, Nokia. It'll present me with all the different options. As you will see, all the photograph and the details, everything is present. I just have to select what products I want to add to my online store, and all I need to do here is provide the price at which I want to sell it on my online store. I can provide the inventory which is available with me, and my job is done. So as a retailer, for you becomes very easy to, if you are dealing with branded products, the task of creating your online catalog is greatly simplified. So once you've added your products to your online store, you can make changes to the look and feel of your website yourself without any IT expertise using what is called as the MartJack MartJack drag and drop interface. So as you can see, this is a demo website which looks like this. This is just a simple demo website, very simple. So for example, if I want to change the banner, my design team has created a different banner. I can easily change that banner. I can easily change the products which are being showcased in the deal of the day. For example, I just want to have something else there. I can easily update that. So just a different product is shown in deal of the day. I want to move something around, I can do that. I want to show different number of products here. For example, let's say I only want to show 3 products instead of 4 which is being visible. So I can showcase just 3 products on my home page. If I want to include a YouTube video on my home page, I can do that. I want to include a Facebook feed or a Twitter feed, I can do that. So all different kind of, presentation related, look and feel related changes can be done very easily using this drag and drop interface. You just have to publish it once you have made your changes, and all the changes will go live on your online store. So very easily you've made some changes. Apart from this, MartJack has a number of features which help in the ongoing management of your online store. So for example, if you're managing your products, your online product catalog, you can define product groups, you can define variants, such as if one t-shirt is available in 4 sizes, you can manage that efficiently, how to present it to consumer so that he sees one t-shirt and just selects a size. So those kind of workflows can be given to the consumers. You can define cross-selling and upselling, which we saw earlier, where you can present similar products, or you may also be interested in purchasing say a headset if you're buying a mobile phone. Those kinds of suggestions can be given to consumers. You can integrate MartJack with your POS system to update inventory. Also, if you want to give some offline or local deals to consumers, they can purchase those deals. So you say, in the next 1 day, if you want to purchase such and such product, you will get 20% discount. Download the coupon now and come to my store and buy it. You can add local deals also. Just like you're adding products, you can add local deals also. You can do bulk management of products, where you can just upload an Excel sheet and your product catalog gets updated. Similarly, you can design the header of your website, make changes to other pages other than the home page. But for example, category pages, how do you want your earring category page to look like? All those different things are completely customizable, and you can make changes just like we use the drag and drop interface to change the home page. You can do it for other pages also. Apart from that, you can manage taxation, how want to apply different taxes for different states. That can be very easily configured. You want to manage your orders, so you can very easily generate order reports saying what are my payment pending orders, what are my stock pending orders. You can authorize your orders that, okay, I've received payments for these orders, so go ahead and ship those automatically. The notification will go to the shipping company, they'll pick up the order and deliver it. You can generate monthly reports, daily reports, find out which of your customers are making the most purchases. All those kind of reporting is available. You can easily manage leads using the lead dashboard. So the lead which got generated earlier from get a call, they come to the lead dashboard. You can see them in the lead report. So once a consumer has provided his details, it will come here in the lead report. So as you can see, the phone number of the person, the details, what product he was looking at the time that lead was generated, all those things can be scene, and then you can go to the order management interface and create a customized order. So on the phone, if the consumer is convinced, you can just create an order from the backend, send it to them. They just have to make the payment and the purchase is complete. So you can provide very simple flows to the consumers for lead generation also. Apart from that, MartJack provides with a number of capabilities to create promotional campaigns or discount vouchers, giving 25% off or 100 rupees off on a particular product. You want to run some kind of promotional campaigns on your online store, you can do that very easily, where you can say, for example, you want to tell that if someone is buying a laptop, give him laptop bag free, or if someone is buying product X, give him product Y at 25% discounts. All those different kinds of promotions can be done on your online store, and you can also create voucher codes for such promotions, give it out to consumers. They can come to the website when they are making the purchase, they will just enter the voucher code and avail the discount. As you can see, it has a rule-based promotion engine, so I am saying that this promotion is eligible to everyone, and if someone is buying a laptop, at least one item of laptop category, then I'll give him say 100% off on educational CDs. So such kind of promotions can be very easily done. MartJack automatically optimizes your websites for SEO. Apart from that, you can do manual changes to the search engine optimization of your online website as well. You can use a number of affiliates such as Google AdWords or Shuglu, Trade Doubler, Google Merchant Center to generate traffic to your online website, to your online store. So apart from the basic setting up your store, you can also generate traffic to your online store using these affiliates, or even using the new MartJack Exchange solution. Apart from that, you can go through the details of what consumers have been doing on your online store, what products they have been looking for, what products are selling more, what products are selling less, where are consumers actually clicking. Those kinds of details can be obtained from Google Analytics, which is completely integrated with MartJack. You can also see an analysis of abandoned carts. So for example, if a consumer is making a purchase but in between he left the process and went away, you will still be able to get the details of that consumer and engage with him offline over email and try to close that purchase or sale. So as you can see, right from things like inventory management to order management, lead management, your online product catalog management, creating your own different kinds of getting leads from the consumer, creating your own online store with your own choice of look and feel. Everything can be done very easily with MartJack. MartJack has over 400 plus features apart from what we just saw in this demo to enable you to very effectively manage your online store. If you want to get more details, you can always visit our website www.martjack.com. Thank you.